So nice. Where did you?
But I grabbed some of them.
It is very romantic though.
Another Japanese restaurant. Wait, so it's a Chinese restaurant?
I don't know.
The Japanese chocolate wagyu mixed with the starch and made like tofu style. Can you order? There were chopsticks and spoons for the sauce price.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I think she said this.
Behind the fish, the yellow part is mixed with the ichiban nashi.
Combined, okay?
Thank you so much.
For the first little four, it's a shima, the Japanese striped bluefin tuna melon.
Thank you.
This is. I'm finding Where are we going? 我们去哪儿？
CVS.
아니, after that. Haidilao. 어때요?
Wait, but in the middle of the bridge.
진짜? In the middle of the night, my bridge.
And the other is spicy, right?
But what is?
Ultra or spicy?
This is spicy.
Oh,
Then you like this one? Imitation.
Who this one?
Okay. Your signature.
Do you want any?
Shrimp paste.
Oh, this one is.
This one? What is half? Should we try half and then eat other one?
Yes, thank you.
You wanna have it? I personally don't like it, but
It's Avalon style shuffle.
like, hello, what's up? Like as a custom. Oi. But I wanna eat taro. So fly.
Let's go.
Go back. What are you making today, chef? Double cooked pork.
Ah,
But how do you say it in Chinese?
and your lazy girl.
어떻게? 可以吗? Olive. Wait, what do you want me to do though?
Sushi.
I like sushi. Do you want me to like clean the eat this? People like this. I don't know. Have you watched ASMR before? Do you like it?
No. I don't like this place.
It's not that good.
哦，这位小米辣，我刚拿出来，但是我也忘放了，我想放进鸡蛋里。
Babe, why is your aunt sleeping?